Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. This video is about blogging versus YouTube, which is best for making money online. See, blogging and YouTube both are good platforms to earn money online. But in 2020, YouTube has an upper hand when compared to blogging. Before introduction of Geo, we used it to search everything in Google. But after Geo, we started using YouTube more often when compared to the Google. Still, the Google is the number one search engine, but people love to see the visual content when compared to the written content. But blogging is not yet dead. But if you are a newbie and want to share your information and want to share your knowledge online, then YouTube is better platform. Let's see the major comparison between the blogging and YouTube. When it comes to the charges, in order to create a blog, you need a domain, and for a domain, you need to pay at least 600 to 1000 rupees per year, and every year you need to renew the domain. Domain is the name of the website, that means the blog. And for hosting, we need to pay another 4000 to 5000 rupees per year, and you need to buy a theme also for blogging, but there are so many free themes are available in the internet, so you can use any free theme, or if you want to buy a premium theme, you need to pay another 4 to 5000 rupees. When it comes to YouTube, you need a video editing software to edit your videos, and if you use a software like Filmora, it is a very powerful software to edit your videos, and to buy Filmora you need to pay at least 6000 rupees. And nowadays everybody has a mobile phone, so you can record your videos by using your mobile phone, and if your channel starts growing, then you can buy a digital camera. Or if you want to do screen recording videos, then there are so many free screen recording softwares are available in the internet. You can use any one of them. Next, come to competition. Both blogging and YouTube both have a competition. In order to become successful, you need to face the competition. Next, come to the reach. YouTube has a more reach when compared to the blogging right now. In order to rank your articles in Google, it takes so much of time, but in YouTube, it is less when compared to the blogging. Next, come to the time to create a brand. Blogging takes so much of time to create a brand, but in YouTube, you have a direct communication with your viewer. So it is easy to create a brand in YouTube fast when compared to the blogging. Next, come to the monetization. Both have a similar monetization opportunities. They are like AdSense or affiliate marketing or sponsored ads, or you can also sell your own products like your ebooks or any your products or services. You can market them. So final thoughts are, if you love writing like me, then you can choose blogging because passion always gives 100% success. But if you want to grow fast, then YouTube is best. Or if you have time, then you can start both. Having an YouTube channel will definitely boost your blog traffic. So this is the major difference between blogging and YouTube. Based on your interest and your passion, you can choose either blogging or YouTube. I hope you like this video, and for more videos like this, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.